Hello friends, welcome to jQuery tutorial. In this tutorial, we will study about the jQuery Ajax-get method. The jQuery get and post method is used to request data from the server with an HTTP get or post request. HTTP request. Two commonly used methods for a request and response between a client and server are get and post. Get. Get requests data from a specified resource. Post. Post submits data to be proceed to a specified resource. Get is basically used for just getting some data from the server. The get method may return cached data. Post can also be used to get some data from the server. However, the post method never caches data and is often used to send data along with the request. We can use get method using jQuery with $.get method. This method is used to request data from the server with an HTTP GET request. This is the syntax for get method. $.get, and inside parameter you can pass URL and callback function. The required URL parameter specifies the URL you wish to request, and callback function is optional. Let's see one example for this get method. Here in this example, we are using PHP file as a server file, and we are getting data from this PHP file. Whenever we will click this button, at that time this get method will be executed. Here in this get method we are passing the name of PHP file, which is 19i.php, and then callback function. Here callback function pass the parameter as data and status. Here data refers as the data of this PHP file, and this is the PHP file, which simply writes this text: program successfully run. Now let's check the output. I'm going to click on this button to send an HTTP GET request to a PHP server, and then we will get the result back as data. Okay, so here this is the text from that PHP file: program successfully run, and its status is success. Okay, so by using this method you can get data from the server.